शांति मिलती है वो हमें मेडिटेशन से मिलती है। बॉडी को स्फूर्ति देने के लिए, तंदुरुस्त रखने के लिए हमें एक्सरसाइज करनी पड़ती है, हमें योगा करना पड़ता है और मेडिटेशन भी एक योगा का ही पार्ट है। वो मन की शांति के लिए है। तो मैं आपका बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच। फ्लोरिडा।
Hello, good afternoon. Happy New Year to everyone. And I definitely say from my heart that it should be a happy and a beautiful New Year for all of us, despite what is going on, irrespective of what people might think. My teacher has always taught me to be very clear about what you intend in your life, no matter what God's plan can be. Our intention needs to be very clear. So, irrespective and despite of what's going on out there, what people may be talking about, koi kuch bhi baat kare, we are going to do a very special meditation, which is done only at the start, at the end of certain era or at certain time, like a new year. I'm taking it just as an example. We'll do a beautiful meditation where we are going to put in a gratitude for what happened in the last year. I know it sounds funny for me to say that, even though I lost a lot of my family members, a lot of my friends in last 2 years, but still I feel a lot of good things have also happened. And let's bring in a gratitude towards what has happened. Let's pay respects towards what not so good feelings we have felt in last 1 year, and welcome New Year with some clear intentions. In this session, I will make you go through different steps. You choose how you want your year to be with, what intentions you have for your year. I will not tell you the intentions. I will guide you to create a platform where you can go ahead and thank and intend how you want your life to be, your family to be, your relationships to be, your work to be, whatever you want to intend. So we are going to do this session like that. I'm just going to play music just to help us to go deeper into the session. Just few do's and don'ts during the session, please. The first is for you to take a space. आपको वीडियो ऑन करना है या नहीं करना है वो मैं आपके ऊपर छोड़ता हूँ. Practically उससे मेरा कोई लेना देना नहीं है. If you feel comfortable keeping video on, please do it. If you don't feel comfortable keeping video on, don't do it. Mics will be muted at all point of time because it will help us to go through the session nicely, and we'll talk after the session and we'll share more. So first is take your own space. Either you could be sitting on a chair and see that you're sitting in an active position. So you're not in a complacent chair position where you might knock off after listening to the music after 5 minutes. So you will know, don't be in a very cozy, कई बार हम अच्छी ना मतलब शॉल वॉल लेके पूरा अंदर से घुस जाते हैं और हमें ऐसा लगता है वो मेडिटेशन करने जा रहे हैं, उसके बाद एकदम मस्त शवासन टाइप हो जाता है पूरा थोड़े टाइम में. So I want you to make the best out of it. There's a very small gap when we are in the gap of unawareness, unconsciousness, like regularly जब हम कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, and when we are about to get into a conscious state of mind, in between there is a time which takes us into a subconscious where we can just go into a कहते हैं ना लाला land. We can just nice, अच्छा लग रहा है, थोड़ा सो जाते हैं. So I will try and see that you don't reach there. So first is take a position. You could be sitting in either in a आप फ्लोर पे ही बैठ सकते हैं, योगा मैट पे बैठ सकते हैं, आप चेयर पे बैठना चाहें. When you're sitting on a chair, see that both your feet are touching the ground. It helps you to be grounded while any kind of meditation is going on, to be more awake and alive. So first is a position. Second, in case you feel you're going to move here and there for some work, so something very urgent, you need to go for some reason, please see that you put your video off, because it could be distracting to somebody who is not able to focus on keeping their eyes closed. तो उन लोगों के लिए आप प्लीज अपना वीडियो ऑफ रख लीजिएगा. Third, I would recommend you to close eyes, but if you feel closing eyes is hampering your way of doing meditation, तो मत करिए बंद, ठीक है? It is just for you to go deeper into listening to your body, in listening to your mind, listening to what's going on with you. That's the focus for that. So, but don't get hassled by, oh my God, I have to keep my eyes closed. There are times there are times a lot of my students practice keeping a handkerchief on their eyes and or a blindfold or something like that, which helps them to go deeper. If you feel like doing so, be my guest. आप वो भी कर सकते हैं. Please avoid eating during the session, please. I've seen sometimes it's happening, so I request you to not, please, do not encourage that. In case आपको प्यास लगती है, if you're coughing or anything needed, please drink a sip of water and get back into the session. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आपकी अगर मेडिटेशन बीच में रुक गई तो फिर से नहीं कर सकते, आप बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. Yeah, please do the meditation and the session as per your capacity. हम सबकी body breathing capacity सबकी अलग होती है. So if you feel sometimes it is getting too much for you, take a break, take a breather, and get back into it. It's absolutely okay to do that. Any questions about any of the do's and don'ts before we start? I will just, for a sample being, I'm going to play music at a certain volume and just talk. You guys can adjust your volume of your phone or laptop आप जिस पे भी देख रहे हैं ना. So मैं just sound share करूँगा. Okay, just give me a moment. So I'm keeping the volume. This is the volume I'm keeping, and this is the volume I'm talking at. I hope it's okay, and I hope the volume is not getting too much. You can adjust your phones, your laptop volumes accordingly, so that आपको बीच में adjustment ना करनी पड़े. मैं ये म्यूजिक का वॉल्यूम भी सिमिलर रहेगा, मेरी आवाज का वॉल्यूम भी बहुत हद तक सिमिलर रहेगा. तो all is okay, great. Gently take your positions and please ignore the voice. मेरे बेटे की voice शायद पीछे से आ रही होगी, just having his fun. So that's also part of the meditation. Part of everyday, सबके घरों में ऐसे ही हो रहा है. So great. Gently breathe in. Gently breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out a few times. सांस अंदर लीजिए, सांस बाहर छोड़िए. Breathe in and breathe out a few times as per your capacity. आपकी जितनी क्षमता है उसके हिसाब से सांस अंदर लीजिए, सांस बाहर छोड़िए. Enjoy this breathing in and breathing out. और धीरे से अपनी आंखें बंद कीजिए. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax your shoulders. Relax your neck. Relax your spine. अपनी रीढ़ की हड्डी को रिलैक्स कीजिए. Relax your head. Relax your hands. It is your choice if you want to take any mudra or not. Unless you are not clear about any mudra positions and the breathing cycles, avoid taking any mudra, please. Relax your legs. Relax your feet. Relax your complete body. Let your thoughts flow in. अपने थॉट्स को कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश मत कीजिए. अपने माइंड को कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश मत कीजिए. Let your thoughts flow. Just watch your thoughts like a movie. जैसे हम लोग एक मूवी देखने जाते हैं ना, कुछ करना नहीं होता, जस्ट देखना है. अगर थॉट्स आ रहे हैं तो उन्हें विटनेस कीजिए. लाइक अ मूवी, एक थॉट के बाद दूसरा थॉट, फिर तीसरा थॉट, चलने दीजिए. कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं. Now gently visualize your last year in front of your heart. We will start with few things which did not go according to what you intended, what you wished, what you had planned. कुछ ऐसी चीजें जो आपके मुताबिक नहीं गई. Let's take the courage, let's take that step and dive into to witness कि पिछले साल में ऐसा क्या क्या हुआ जिसने हमें दुख दिया, तकलीफ दी, खुशी नहीं दी. शायद कुछ हमारी फैमिली में, हमारे परिवार में, हमारे दोस्तों के साथ हुआ हो, या हमारे आसपास. बहुत कुछ हुआ लास्ट ईयर में, बहुत कुछ हुआ. We may have lost some close ones. We may have incurred and seen some losses in our family. बहुत कुछ हो सकता है और हुआ है out there in the world. But let's focus on our life and see one by one. I want you to see the incidences which happened in last year, which were not so good. I want you to fold your hands in a namaste position and pay respect one by one to each and every incident which happened. Which brought a loss in your life. Take your time for each and every incident. If you see somebody in front of you, feel free to talk to them and say what you want to tell them while you're paying respects. Feel free to feel whatever you want to feel. One by one, to all the incidents which brought in sadness to us, let us pray respect to it. We can't plan to move on to a new year till we have completed the last year. Let's do that. Keep breathing in and keep breathing out. What did you lose? Whom did you lose? Feel the loss. Feel free to feel the sadness. Feel free to feel the anger. Feel free to feel the void जो आपको शायद फील हो रहा होगा उस इंसान के जाने के बाद. Let us pray to whomsoever we believe in. आप जिनमें भी मान्यता है उन्हें प्रार्थना कीजिए. For all those lost souls, that wherever they are out there, may they be released from this circle of birth and death. May they be living in absolute freedom, happiness, and joy. Feel free to pray what you want to pray for them. Feel free to respect and accept any kind of loss or any kind of sadness which the previous year has caused you. Acceptance is a very difficult thing sometimes, and I know what I'm saying. Breathe in and breathe out, and take a step towards trying to accept what the previous year gave you. Let's pay our respects and try to accept what was not so good in the previous year. Breathe in and breathe out. And one by one, choose 5 instances which caused you pain or sadness of any kind. Once you feel complete, relax your hands. Breathe in and breathe out a few times, at least 5 times. And slowly take your focus towards 5 most beautiful things which happened in 2021 for you, for your family, for your loved ones. 5 most beautiful things. One by one, I want you to inhale that incident. जो भी कुछ हुआ, उसे अपने सामने देखिए. And just thank your God and put in your gratitude while feeling what happened, what beautiful thing happened. Again, I would like you to fold your hands. Namaste position में आइए. And bring in your gratitude for those wonderful incidents which have happened in your life. जरूरी नहीं है कई बार कुछ बड़ा होना जरूरी होता है. One of the most beautiful incidents which happened in my life was when I met you all in person. For some of you, not all. And it was a beautiful time we spent together. One of the most beautiful incidents for me. So look out for those beautiful incidents which have happened in last year for you, which have given you happiness, which gave you laughter, which gave you joy, which brought in a lot of peace for you, a lot of good health for you. And let's thank God for bringing those incidents, those situations, those beautiful situations in our life. Let's bring in our gratitude one by one. Don't forget to bring a beautiful smile in your face right now when you're thinking about those incidents. If you've crossed those 5 things, feel free to go deeper and think about more incidents that are coming to you. जितनी अच्छी चीजें आपने पिछले साल में एक्सपीरियंस की, सब महसूस कीजिए. अपने सामने देखिए, उनको विजुअलाइज कीजिए. and take the experience of those incidents in your breath when you're inhaling and when you're exhaling. When you're seeing those incidents, when you're visualizing those incidents, let us thank God for creating them for us. जिनकी वजह से वो हुआ, let's thank those people. Let's thank our friends, our family, whoever helped us to sail through 2021, supported us, who helped us to be happy, to be healthy, to be peaceful. Let's thank people who were responsible for making our previous year beautiful and blissful. वो लोग जो ना चाहते हुए भी आपसे रोज बात करते थे, जो आपसे पूछते हैं आप कैसे हो, आप खाना खाया, आज कहाँ जा रहे हो, टीवी पे क्या देखा, अरे मौसम ऐसा है आज, वैसा है आज, वो सिर्फ आपसे ये पूछने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और यह कहने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं दैट आई लव यू. हम कई बार बोल नहीं पाते बहुत इजीली दैट आई लव यू. मुद्दे की बात तो वही है ना. So feel your family members, your friends, whoever supported you and helped you in the previous year. Bring a beautiful smile on your face and tell them that you also love them. Now gently breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out at least 5 times again. Be absolutely awake and alive. Keep your spine straight and head straight. Because eventually now we are moving on to 2022. Be absolutely clear about how you want this year to be. क्या exactly आप चाहते हैं इस साल में हो? क्यों चाहते हैं ऐसा हो? How do you want your life to be? How do you want your family's life to be? How do you want this group to be, the seniors group? How do you want your world to be around you? So be absolutely awake and alive right now. Relax your hands. Keep your hands in a receiving position, means keep your palm facing upwards. And slowly and gently visualize this year in front of your eyes. जब आप विजुअलाइज कर रहे हैं, अपने आप को देखिए, अपनी फैमिली को देखिए, अपने आसपास के लोगों को देखिए जो आपको मैटर करते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद देम. अपने घर से शुरुआत करते हैं. क्या चाहते हैं कि आपके घर में चार दीवारों में कैसा माहौल हो, खुशियां हो, प्यार हो, खुशहाली हो, अच्छी सेहत हो. Whatever you visualize in your own home where you live right now, I want you to visualize how do you want 2022 to be. Leave what has happened till now. Leave everything aside. Just for a moment, leave everything aside. Leave all the negative talks about 2022 aside, just for a while. And let's have faith in our focus and intention. How do you want this year to be? How do you want your family to be this year? Visualize yourself. Visualize your family in the house. See everyone happy. See everyone healthy. See everyone respecting each other. See everyone listening to each other. See everyone having a great time together. See a lot of love and lot of kindness towards each other. बहुत सारा प्यार और बहुत सारा वक्त एक दूसरे के लिए. Feel it. And what do you think you need to do today to make this happen? We all need to contribute. We all need to take efforts. Hence, we are intending, we are not wishing. Ask yourself and visualize. देखिए कि आप ऐसा क्या कर रहे हैं, अपने अंदर आपने क्या ऐसा परिवर्तन लाए हैं आप आज से, अभी से, कि आपकी फैमिली आज खुशहाली में जी रही है ये पूरा साल. Ask yourself. Have the courage to ask yourself this question. See people around you, your neighborhood, your friends, people who matter to you. They could be living here, they could be living in India, they could be living in any other country. वो जो 15, 20, 25 लोग का एक ग्रुप होता है ना, जो हमें मैटर करता है, हमारे दोस्त हैं, हमें चाहने वाले हैं. I want you to visualize a beautiful year with them. देखिए सबके घर में खुशहाली हो. Everyone is living a beautiful life, healthy life. सबका काम अच्छा चल रहा है. Everyone is earning good money. Everyone has a good job or a good business, whatever they want to do respectively. And do see everyone out there walking in nature, going out. We are living a year without the mask, where the pandemic has healed and we are able to live the way we. Let's see it happening. Let's convert and let's intend this pandemic to become an endemic, where it actually ends. Let's this year be the one where it actually starts to end, where people are safe and healthy. Visualize it. Be absolutely clear about what you're visualizing. And see your friends happy and healthy. और आप कुछ अपने बारे में विजुअलाइज अगर करना चाहते हैं, ये मैं आपको 2 मिनट दूंगा। जो भी आप अपने बारे में, अपने आसपास आप विजुअलाइज करना चाहते हैं इस साल के बारे में, वो इस समय आप कर सकते हैं। एकदम क्लियर रहिए, कोई डाउट मत रखिएगा। प्लीज गो ऑन एंड डू इट। Once you feel complete, gently breathe in and breathe out. Take your time, there is no rush. Be gentle with yourself. Gently moving your feet, moving your fingers. 5 से 7 बार breathe in करिए, breathe out करिए. Once you feel complete, only then. Take your time. And gently breathe in and breathe out. Gently breathe in and breathe out. And slowly start preparing yourself to come back. सांस अंदर लीजिए, सांस बाहर छोड़िए. And whenever you feel complete, gently open your eyes. जब भी आपको कंप्लीट लगता है, धीरे से अपनी आंखें खोलिए. I wish you all a beautiful 2022. A year which helps us to bring in peace with the pandemic, which brings in and converts it into an endemic. People are safe, healthy. We are able to live a beautiful life. We are able to meet each other. हम एक दूसरे को हक कर पाएं, मिल पाएं, साथ में खाना खा पाएं, हंस खेल पाएं. And a year which brings in a lot of happiness in our families, a lot of hope, a lot of love, a lot of joy, good times, and a year which helps to bring in good finances, good money in our families to take care of ourselves, and a lot of joy. I wish this for today, tomorrow, and forever, and I wish you a beautiful new year. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are back. Feel free to, if you would like to share how are you feeling right now, how was the meditation for you, please feel free to unmute yourself and feel free to share.
Okay.
Yeah, just 2 minutes, आशा जी. मैं एक बार शेयर करें, फिर मैं आशा जी आपको unmute करता हूँ.
You can see me now, right?
Yes, I can see you now.
Okay. I was just going to say the testament to your presentation. My wife and myself were both doing it. And during maybe after 15 minutes of relaxing, I just felt very sleepy. And I was wondering what my wife was feeling. So I just had a peek. And her head, would you believe, her head was like this. She was totally gone. Man, oh man, you really had, I think a wonderful presentation. And you do have that power in you. It's such a smooth, the way the voice is very enchanting. And, the material you're saying, and the background, everything. Anyhow, I just want to say thank you very much indeed.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. मुझे आपका नाम यहाँ पे पता नहीं चल रहा है. आपका और आपकी वाइफ का नाम.
Oh, देखिए वहाँ लिखा हुआ है पैश उमर पुरुषोत्तम. मेरा नाम है डॉक्टर पुरुषोत्तम उमर.
Dr. Purushottam. Okay. Thank you.
And this is my wife Vijay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Just loved it.
हाँ जी, मैं कुछ बोलूँ. I like to speak something.
Can I talk?
Just 1 minute. Sorry, yeah. Just 1 minute. इन्होंने आशा जी ने आपसे पहले एक बार हाथ रेज किया हुआ था, सो मैं एक बार उनको एक बार चांस दे दूं प्लीज. We can
Thank
go.
you. इतना मजा आया कि हम लोग भूल गए थे कि हम बैठे हुए हैं कि सोए हुए हैं. We were in another world. इतना रिलैक्स हो गए हम लोग, हल्के हो गए हैं ये मेडिटेशन से. Thank you very much.
It was very nice.
Very nice.
Thank you, Asha ji. Thank you, Yashi.
हाँ जी
कुलदीप जी.
बहुत खुशी है, बहुत मन पसंद होया, बड़ी खुशी आई है। मैं रिलैक्स बहुत किया, मैंने भी नींद आ गई थी। मैं कहा उठ के मेडिटेशन कर, कुलदीप तो तेरा लड़का जो होगा बहुत प्यारा लगे। मैं अखा खोली जरा, बहुत बहुत आनंद आया जी। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ परमात्मा लंबी उम्र ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ ਚ ਰਹੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ परमात्मा खुशियां ਦੇਵੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਉਮਰ, ਸਾਰੀ ਆ ਸਾਲ ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਚੰਗਾ ਹੋਵੇ, ਪਰ ਸਾਰੀ ਉਮਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬੱਚਿਓ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਆਉਣ, ਜਨਮ ਹੋਏ।
धन्यवाद कुलदीप जी, धन्यवाद। सभी सुब्रो।
Yeah.
हाँ जी।
Namaste.
Namaste.
I myself being a yoga teacher, I could reflect the calmness in your mind and the transcendental meditation. That's what I think I experienced. I had a talk today, so I was a little bit stressed. But this, your calm voice with your way of presentation, it is charming to everyone, especially to seniors. Please keep on the good job, and thanks so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. सावित्री जी।
हाँ जी, नमस्कार।
नमस्कार।
एक तो प्रशांत जी, शांत अवस्था होती है ना?
हाँ जी।
एक है प्रशांत, तो जब उसके आगे प्र लग जाता है, इसका मतलब सुपीरियर। तो हम प्रशांत अवस्था में पहुंच गए थे। तो हम शांत से प्रशांत अवस्था में पहुंच गए, और उसके बाद हमने जो कुदरत के नजारे, जो आपने प्रकृति को दिखाया, इतनी हसीन दिखाई दी, वो इतनी सुंदर दिखाई दी। क्या सचमुच ही हमने कभी सोचने की, कभी देखे नहीं है कि इतने अच्छे फ्लावर्स इतने खिले हुए हैं। उसी तरह से हमारा मन को भी बहुत ज्यादा शांति मिली। तो भगवान आपकी लंबी उम्र करे, आप इसी तरह से सेवा करते रहें, और इसी तरह से बहुत रिलैक्स हुए, बहुत आनंद आया, बहुत अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मुझे वो फ्लावर्स बहुत प्यारे लगे। कोविड हैज नॉट स्टॉप्ड द ट्रीज टू ब्लॉसम। COVID is not telling the trees, don't blossom. Hey, don't rain. Hey, don't snow. Hey, the flowers should stop coming. Everybody is doing their job. Tree is doing a job to bring in leaves and fruits. I'm doing my job, what I need to do. And we all need to continue to do our job despite of what people say. When somebody comes and says, hey, you know what, अब ये हो गया है, अब ये किस हो गया है, अगले 5 साल ये होने वाला है, अगले ये होने वाला है। मैंने कहा अगर आपको इतने बड़े एस्ट्रोलॉजर थे तो 3 साल पहले बता देते हमें क्या होने वाला। किसी को कुछ नहीं पता। We all need to be very clear about our intentions. We need to keep doing what are the safety things, what we need to do. But we need to have an intention कि ये साल हमारा कैसे जाने वाला है। And I want you कि हम लोग जब भी हम रेगुलर मिलेंगे, हम ना चाहते हुए भी we need to get back to intending कि this is the year I want to do this. मेरी फैमिली ऐसी होनी चाहिए। मुझे नहीं पता कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, मुझे क्या करना है उसके लिए बताइए, I will do it. But my intention needs to be absolutely clear. जब मैं रात को सो रहा हूं या सो रही हूं, तो मुझे पता होना चाहिए कि अगले दिन मेरा कैसे जाने वाला है, मैं उसको इंटेंट कर सकूं। And that's called a power of intention, which means intention asks you, what do you need to do for this to be fulfilled? So if I have an intention that my family needs to be taken care of, so what do I need to do for them to be taken care of? My job is to do that. क्या होगा मुझे नहीं पता उसके बाद। There are some things which are out of our control. When things are out of our control, we in any case not do anything about it. So why waste time talking about it? Let's go back to do what we need to do. So let's put this in our family members. कहीं पे भी कुछ भी बात हो, अरे छोड़ो ये सब यार, let's get back to doing anything. So let's do that. किसी ने हाथ रेज किया? जोगेंद्र जी? Yes, जोगेंद्र जी।
Thank you very much for a very relaxing presentation. It was so peaceful, and you are so lucky to be able to bring peace to others. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. It matters a lot when you are, and when all of you are feeling what you're feeling, because we all are part of the same group. We believe it or not, हम सारे एक ही ग्रुप के हैं. We all have been spending a good time together, and I'm happy that you all are feeling good. Thank you for sharing that. Thank you.
Yeah, प्रशांत जी.
हाँ जी.
हेलो.
हाँ जी.
प्रशांत जी, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. मेडिटेशन के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत जैसे हम भी प्रयत्न करते हैं ऑल दैट, लेकिन आपका जो आज का मैसेज था यानी इतना रिलैक्सिंग और बिल्कुल प्रैक्टिकली डे टू डे लाइफ में था, बिल्कुल यानी आप मिला रहे थे अच्छे चीज़ों से भी बुरी चीज़ों से भी. और सबसे बढ़िया बात है कि ठीक है मेडिटेशन में आंखें बंद करा दी आपने, थोड़ी देर के लिए जब आँख खुली और बैकग्राउंड में जो नेचर देखी, यकीन मानना मैं कंट्रोल नहीं कर सका. मैंने आंखें खोल दी और फ्रिक्वेशन उसकी जो सीनरी चेंज होती थी, थोड़ा डल आता था. आई स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग टू द ट्रीज. आई एम नॉट जोकिंग, प्रैक्टिकली आई स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग टू द ट्रीज. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Any question anybody would like to ask? We won't have a lot of time. We just have 5 minutes. So anything short anybody wants to ask in terms of anything somebody's facing, any situation, you can talk about it. Or if not, if anybody would want to share anything else.
I just want to say,
प्रशांत जी, thank you
Yes,
very
sir.
much. It was a beautiful presentation. वैसे तो मैं भी योगा टीचर हूँ, but today I felt I was just floating. When
Thank
I
you.
was doing meditation, it looks like I was floating. Thank you very much. Lovely
Thank you so
presentation.
much. Thank you.
योगा टीचर कर बैठे.
प्रशांत जी, एक चीज मैं कहना चाहूंगा
जी
कि
सर.
जब भी आप आते हैं पहले तो आपको देख के ही मानसिक शांति जो है वो शुरू हो जाती है, और उसके बाद जब आप करवाते हैं और जब आपकी वो म्यूजिक और सीनरी और आपकी आवाज और सारा टोटलिटी जो है वो इतना अच्छा लगता है कि वाकई जो सीनियर्स के मैं व्यूज सुन रहा था, बड़े इत्मीनान से सुन रहा था कि किस तरीके से उनको ये दिमागी जो है वो खुशी महसूस होती है कि एकदम नींद आ जाती है, एकदम बहुत अच्छा लगता है. और गेरा साहब ने जो कहा वाकई वो बिल्कुल ठीक कहा कि वो जो सीनरी थी और जो आपने जो आइडिया दिया कि कोविड-19 से हम लोग कितने परेशान हैं, लेकिन नेचर को उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. नेचर वैसी की वैसी है, उसमें वो बिल्कुल, और उसने हमें इतना खुशी दी नेचर ने कि ये जो आपने प्लांट्स और वो जो आपने सीनरी दिखाई बहुत अच्छी लगी. और मैं तो चाहूंगा कि ऐसी सीनरी आप हमारे भेजिएगा, हम सर्कुलेट करें, और उसको बहुत सुंदर लगा.